Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST S1 mesh jacket. Okay, the all-new S1 jacket retails for $139.99. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we never update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. It's a good-looking coat, man. This is an amazing coat for $139.99. Let's dive into a little bit of sizing. 5 feet 11 inches tall, about a 32-inch waist, 190 pounds. I'm wearing a size 54 Euro. This gives me the fit and feel that I would seek. Use that along with the size chart to get an idea of which one would fit you best. Features and benefits. This jacket includes a fully removable, which is very important in my opinion, Sin Aqua windproof, waterproof liner. We'll showing the second part of the video. It zips in and out really easy, okay? Realistically, when I see this coat, I feel like most people who are gonna buy this are going to buy this for the best rides, right? The hot weather rides when you need maximum ventilation, but you still want a good measure of protection. And the S1 delivers that. It's got some premium heavy gauge mesh used throughout the coat in the non-impact areas. If you get into the impact areas, there is some reinforced heavier denier textile. Soft shell CE1 armor comes in the elbow form as well as the shoulder. We've got that integrated shoulder slider, which helps bolster protection in that area and also looks pretty kick-ass on the coat. This coat comes complete with a back protector pocket that doesn't have anything in it when it ships. We've had a little trouble bringing in the RST back protector inserts. You know, welcome to supply chain issues, right? We've all been faced with that. It's a bummer, but it's a reality. So we found two excellent options that slip right into this coat. The D30 Viper Level 1 and Level 2. I've included links to these back protectors in the product listing for this coat. In a size medium, slide right in. As a matter of fact, I have one in this coat right now, and you can barely even feel that it's there, but adding it does offer that additional level of protection that we're going to recommend to most any motorcycle rider out there. There are some reflective inserts around this jacket to enhance nighttime visibility. For volume adjustment, we have textile and fabric with a D-ring here at the waist on both sides. Entry, exit, and adjustment here at the cuff is done with Velcro and textile. And then we have a sleeve adjuster up here at the bicep. Nice motion panels in the coat to enhance mobility. This thing actually wears really nice. You know, when you get to some of these price point coats, and you guys have seen I've been doing this for a long time. I've tried on a lot of stuff. I've worn a lot of stuff. Sometimes you get to these price point coats, they can get kind of clunky and crunchy and just This one gives you none of the This makes you feel like you got like a $250, $270 mesh coat for a whole hell of a lot less. I can't recommend this one enough. We're excited that they finally came in. Shipping took forever. We've got a reasonable measure in this colorway and a more heavily blacked out colorway available on the site. I think given the temperatures right now, these are probably going to go fast. So if you want to grab one, jump on it now. Storage. We have zipper, hand warmer style storage pockets, both sides. Right? I will say probably not the most gigantic pocket I've ever felt. Inside the liner of the coat, the mesh liner of the coat, we have a zippered storage pocket on one side and a slip storage pocket on the other side, so that'll help you like with your cell phone, stuff like that. They're probably going to fit in that area better. Got a spring-loaded metal snap up here at the top to kind of tidy things up. All in all, a good-looking coat. If you want a little more information, stay tuned for the second part. I'm going to take this thing off, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, here we go, the all-new S1 mesh jacket from the inside out. We're going to start off with that removable, windproof, waterproof, yet still relatively breathable. This isn't Gore-Tex, right? It's reasonable, right? If you're going to use this for a day when you get caught in the rain and you see it's pretty lightweight, you could store this, you know, probably in the trunk of the bike. If you're wearing a backpack, you can throw it in there, whatever. It's reasonable, right? And it's nice to have it as an option. I like the way this is attached to the coat too. You'll see there's a full zip on both sides of the liner, okay? And then at the sleeves, it's got a gaiter, and it also zips into the liner of the jacket. RST did a really nice job with this, and I know when I review these products, I probably sound like a massive RST fanboy. That is because I am. I'm pretty cheap. I love a good deal. I love a good value. And when I look at this gear, every piece basically, I see a tremendous value for the price that you're investing in the product. And when you compare this, like, I mean, I could put this head to head with jackets that cost double and show you in terms of quality, features, benefits, included protection, where this thing is literally on par. Okay, so liner aside, let's move into the armor. Here is the CE Level 1 certified soft shell stuff that we find in the shoulder, as well as the elbow and forearm. The elbow and forearm has a pocket that has a couple levels of adjustment. It's relatively self-explanatory. To really get a look at it, you almost need to turn it inside out. So I'll kind of pull the liner out real quickly here and see if I can't show you how this works. Effectively, what you do with this is you're just controlling the length of the pocket at the bottom, okay? And that allows the armor, if it's riding too high on your elbow, to ride down a little bit lower. Once you slip this out and take a look at the Velcro patches that are included, you'll be able to very quickly see how they're doing it. You've got the one at the very bottom is going to be the closure, and this would allow it to ride at its lowest point. If you need the elbow up higher on your, if you need the armor up higher on your elbow, you would slide it up and you utilize the second level of Velcro to hold that armor a little bit higher in the pocket. There is no adjustment provided for the shoulder, but most people aren't going to need that. I want to give you a quick look at the D30. This is actually the Icon D30, right? The level 1 certified Viper size medium, slides right in the pocket. It's an excellent piece. They have a CE level 2 piece. I believe this one's $30 right now. I think the other one's about $45. As I stated previously, I've included links in the description of this product that's going to take you right to this if you're interested in adding it. The RST ones, of course, will fit. We're just having a difficult time getting those here. It's just supply chain stuff that everyone is faced with. Focusing on the jacket itself, you've got some reflective piping used on this, some reflective screen printed logos up here. Very clean design. Got a nice motion panel here. Large panels of mesh to encourage massive airflow. The color blocking is really cool. Got a nice motion panel here in the elbow. More screen printing. The S1 there will be reflective. Reflective piping here again. Get to the front of the coat. Just massive panels of nice, I mean, that's some heavy duty mesh too, right? Super nice stuff. Massive panels of mesh for maximum airflow. You've got your volume adjustment up here at the bicep. You've got your volume entry and exit here with Textile and Velcro in the cuff. Volume adjusters here, both at the waist, as I touched on earlier. These shoulder sliders are super sweet. It gives the jacket that high-end look and feel, and it also helps to bolster protection a little bit. Get inside the coat. Got a nice, comfortable mesh liner. This will zip to some of the RST Textile pants, right, if you want to add something like that. Interior storage pocket on the left side, pretty large with a zipper. Interior storage pocket on the right side. This is just a slip pocket. You've got a comfort-lined collar. They use the same fabric here in the termination of the cuff as well. It feels really nice against your skin. All in all, what do I think? I think this is one hell of a motorcycle jacket that sells for a very fair price. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to make sure you get the right gear for your next ride.